Hi guys, we have here the Accurasee Proportional Dividers. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at what you receive when you ordered this product. For those who are familiar with this product, just want to give you guys a quick 360 look. This is what you will receive. You can see here. And also comes with a little pamphlet on the inside here. For architects, as you can see here, a lot more information. So if you're looking to purchase this, just want to give you guys a quick 360 look at the product. We do have it available, great quality product, especially for those in design or architecture or school or any of those type of situations. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe to our channel, have a great day.